So this container going over here. Here we are. Ooh, moment of truth.
Morning YouTube, start another week here at Airedale. Oh, it's a cold one this morning, like a weatherman. Oh, not nice is it when you go out and all, vans, cars are iced up. We just had a delivery of steel coming for Karl here. Right from Barrett's, look. Look at it. That's come early, he's in our way now, so we can't get loaded up and get on our way. We've got to get all our fencing on, hopefully it'll be done in the next 5-10 minutes. Going over to Seof today, start a job there, some bolt down mesh and some digging PALISADE I think it is. But yes, definitely cold, I think winter's amongst us. It's linked to forecast snow later on today, tomorrow. I hope not. But yeah, it's what it is. So I shall get off for now, I'll let these lads get loaded and I'll see you in a bit.
Right, we're here now. We're in Seacroft. So we're doing some bolting down today. It's going to be panel, gate, infill, wall, and then we're going to be coming along here. It's just to put in this bike shed. Tomorrow we've got a bit of PALISADE around, right around there to do. We're going to be coming across here, to the wall. The gate's going to be at the other side. This side is going to be off here, to the wall, over to this one and down. Gate's going to be somewhere here. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, looking good. We'll get it in and you'll see the difference once we're done. Coming over to what lads did yesterday. So this is all bolt down, 2 gates. This is just to enclose the bike storage, as you can see. All in black. It looks nice in black. And there we go. All looking good. Going around just doing last little checks now. Yeah, all looking good.
It's warmed up slightly. Anyway, I just wanted to show this new little fandangle device I've got here. I've got 4 plugs that basically connect to Wi-Fi. So, because I come this morning, this office, because obviously it's a metal container and it was absolutely freezing. Obviously temperature's dropped now. Anyway, these are like smart plug things. And basically I've just can switch it in, so now I can just press the button on my app at home and I can have heating on before I come. So I bought this, alright, it's going to use a lot of electric. I mean, I have got one of them on a bit of a timer, but it'd be nice to just shove that on for half an hour before I come. So yeah, I'm going to try that in the morning. Just put that on for a quick 20 minutes, half an hour before I get here, and it should be nice by the time I get here. It was cold this morning and it's forecast snow and everything tomorrow, so let's see. But yeah, anyway, I've done my bits of admin for a couple of hours. Lads have got off to the job. I'm on my way to Batley, what they call Batley Academy Trust, one of their schools. Another one, I've forgotten what it is that she wants now. I think it was some new gates or something. So I'm going to meet her over there and I'll try and get some footage whilst I'm there. So yeah, I've just met with Karen from the trust. She's just gone actually, but fairly simple. Giving a bit of a bother. This gate here, the council, the school actually owns the land and rent it out to a football club, local football club, but the council's been charging the football club when they shouldn't have done basically. They've come and repaired this, but she didn't want that. Got to leave a little gap there just for pedestrians and football to get in and out. And then we're going to take this down and replace it with some double leaf mesh gates, and the measurement is 3.6 I believe it was inside to inside. I'll just check it again while I'm here. Yeah, probably leave that gate post, that receiving post there, because it's holding fence, and check that one out. She just informed me this should be one for Karl, just the right little repair on the ones we did at Batley Gamma. Summer note, just wants a bit of heat on it and hit him with hammer.
We're here, it's absolutely freezing, but we're doing it. Jamie there, Mr. I.Work. Karl in his nice warm one with heater on. Yeah, red hot in here, that's how I think. You look like a mountain bear or something.
Hey, listen, is it obvious I'm wearing 6 sweaters?
How many layers you got on?
T-shirt.
Oh yeah. You ready for today, yeah? Big day.
Big breakfast.
Yeah, I'm thinking so, mate. It's cold weather, you got to have a big breakfast, haven't you? So we've got Mark here going, down, up.
Back in office with his blankie and his 2 eaters in a minute, you wait.
I've got 4 plugs, and basically I've just to switch it in, so now I can just press the button on my app at home, and I can have heating on before I come.
Good work for Justin.
Yeah.
Done quite fast.
You're doing all talking, mate. He likes to boss people around, Jamie. He's going to tell him off about the waters. Right, we're all good. Here we are then. Oh, yard looks different. This container's going, getting moved. Matter of room, I know everything looks a bit of a mess at the minute, but we'll get there. That's where the container's going to go. Hot container's going to be at one side. What's going to open up all that for us. So that'll be brilliant. Get rid of mats. Lads are just getting signs on now. New wrap and new sign up van. Get that old one off. I'll show you a new one. There we go. Old one we're looking a bit filthy, that's for sure. That looks a lot better. Jamie ain't got an high-vis on that usual. Yeah, so container is going to go here. And I'm going to move that tomorrow, move it here. Doors are going to be facing that way. Mats is going to get moved up here. Post mix is going to get moved over there. Hot PALISADE is going to come out. And then we're going to open all this up around back. And then hopefully we don't run out of room for a while. Here we are. Ooh, moment of truth. Haha.
Yeah. I think you will. Once you pull that there, that's going to go back in there. You'll get more.
Morning. We're getting there. Fuel's on job. We're just moved this cabin to here. It's about halfway to where it needs to be. We've got a fire going, burning those pallets. Matt's getting his electrics in, and we're going to put the new cabin here. So yeah, very, very well. Justin's gone for the sandwiches. Don't know what's happened to me at, but there you go. So yeah, it's going well. We'll catch you later. Fairly pleased how today's gone. Yeah, we've, as you can see, we're having a good swap around. This is where the old cabin used to be. Now it's over there. So it's easy out there now. Office is there. We're just moving that post mix over to here for now, temporary. And then we're going to move this little cabin that Matt uses over there. And then we're all in one place, and we can put a nice little safety barrier across there. So we all, any visitors, anything, just walk in there. So yeah, it'll be really good. And Matt's here doing hot wiring. He's got his box on already. He might even said he'd hopefully get cabin back on today, and then we might even be able to get workshop back on. So yeah, it's going well. Just have the CCTV and that to do, but he'll probably have a go at that tomorrow, which is something to note, as long as we get his power back on. But look at all, you know, all these shelves and that. Sorry, you probably can't see which sun, but we'll move all this shelving back over, and this will all sort of line up down here. It'll make sense once we've done, and then hopefully get this strip of land here sorted out. So yeah, we've even got Karl, you can see him sweeping out the yard, look. So yeah, it's going really well. All that were always on my mind, moving that by hook or by crook. I've got it done, lifted it, dragged it, pushed it, you name it, we did it. Good old trusty 4-tonner. Done me proud today. Obviously it helps when you've got a good driver. That's me, by the way. Drivers and screwdrivers, isn't there? So yes, I had to take command and get that one sorted out. So yeah, all kudos to me, by the way, thank you. No, well done, brilliant. Really pleased with how today's gone. So yes, I shall see you later. As you can see, we're all in. Even Matt's cabin's moved here, look. We're all we're just discussing alternative and put a little roof across there. A nice little entranceway, get a little light up there. The sounds of pound. We just fact supplies back on in office, so at least we can get back on computers and that tomorrow. Lights are on, plug his batteries in. We're just about to get power across now to Karl's workshop. Might not be on today, we're just going to get power in, cables across, and then probably tomorrow we'll get power on in here and stuff like that. Good morning, Friday already. Wow, cold one this morning. Not quite sure what happened, whether it rained last night or what, but then it froze and then literally black ice everywhere this morning. Justin hadn't actually made it in. Where he lives in Halifax, he lives on a bit of an hill. He's struggling to get off. He's sending me pictures, he couldn't get in, but it's going to be fine once the sun gets out. It'll just thaw out, but actually, you can see everywhere it's just black ice, and obviously I've got 4 before. Anyway, I managed to get fork truck going. We just handballed posts that lads needed. Jamie and Baggy have gone in Justin's van, so it were clear. And I managed to get a pallet of post mix on for them that I'd put there. So yeah, they're doing like, well, it's a timber job, but it's for a company at an house. I think his office must be there or something. Just doing 30 metres of feather edge, and they've got a bit of takedown to do. So I think they're just going to get it posted today, do takedown, then when Justin's in Monday, he can go pick it up. He was supposed to go over to Manchester today to pick some gear up, but I'm not letting him go over at Pennines in this. It'll be absolutely crackers, but I'm so glad we got that cabin moved yesterday. There, I mean, it needs painting now, this side, so you could never see that side when it were there, so it never mattered. So we'll get that painted once we get some decent weather. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how all that went yesterday. Matt's already got the electric back on in my office. His cabin's there. We're even thinking of putting a roof on here, maybe even a door there, but I think Matt's coming back today. Hopefully he's going to make sure he gets Karl's on, and then probably lads in here, and then we'll start. We've got 3 or 4 cameras still working at the minute, so we're pretty much covered, but I mean, it's a secure site anyway, like, but it's nice to have your own, isn't it? So yeah, he already started doing that yesterday, putting a new hard drive in and this and the other. So he's got some fandangly better cameras to go in, really good quality, good pictures with lights and all sorts on them. So yeah, looking forward to them going up. I forgot to say, Karl's been already. He's gone to galvanisers, and then he's taking some gates at powder coaters that we need for next week. That's Tuesday, that's planned. So yeah, all in all, very busy. I'm just going to get on with my admin and stuff now, behind the scenes for a few hours. So I ain't done much last couple of days with moving these cabins and all the stress and not stress, but you know, busy. I mean, there were 8 of us here yesterday, so you know, been very busy, but really pleased, like I say, how it went. So well done, team. A lot of us all chipped in. Very pleased. So anyway, I'll stop waffling for now, and I shall get on with my day.
So we're doing a timber job today. Baggy's play. It's that time of day. Radio's on. So yeah, here we go. So all this is coming out.
The Taste of Your Tears. Top 20 hit in 1985.
All of it's already been dragged out here.
That group made its
so they're
top
having
40 debut
1.8
at the
feather edge
start of
fence,
that
and it's going all the way down to the back side there. Yeah, looks good. Right, just finishing up for the day. It's Friday. We just put all concrete on van, all poster in down here. Baggy's just getting line off now. All going up. 1.8 metre feather edge with capping on top, and it's just going all the way up to the end of their garden, coming all the way back down, and pretty much we love a straight line. Let's have a look at that. Always beautiful when you see that. Nice straight line. So yeah, looking good. Very nice area this, to be honest. Might get in swimming pool if it won't winter.
Hello there. Friday nearly done. I've been busy in office. Let's see a couple of jobs, blah blah blah. In fact, let me take my hat off. Let me here's alright, miss. It's actually warmed up a bit now as I thought it might. Sun's out. It's still cold like, but not as it was this morning. So yeah, the lads are cracking on with that timber job. I just spoke to Justin. They finally managed to get in this morning. He's helping them over there. I think they had 4 posts to get in when I last spoke to him. So they should be done in about half an hour, I would have thought. Just left Karl. He's been to see a couple of little repair jobs for some school gates and stuff. Bits of welding and what have you. And then Matt's still in the yard. I've just left him. He's doing electrics and stuff like that, getting power back on Karl's cabin. So yeah, been busy morning really, so I think I'll call it there. We had a decent week. I'm glad we moved all them cabins yesterday before that black ice this morning came. That were horrendous. If that had been yesterday, I don't know how we'd have got on, but thank God for small mercies. So yes, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and why not subscribe while you're here. Go on, hit it now, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.